Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the Shopify App Store. First, head over to shopify.com and log into your account. Once you've signed in, you'll land directly on your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your store. The first easy way to access the Shopify App Store is by using the search bar at the top of your dashboard, right here. Type in the word apps or the name of any app, for example, Calendar app. At the bottom of the suggestions, you'll see an option that says Search Calendar app in Shopify App Store. Click on it, and it will take you straight to the Shopify App Store. From here, you can browse and search for apps you want to install. The other way of typing in the app on the search bar is by going to the left side panel and clicking on apps. Then the search bar will activate again and it will be labeled as app. Just type in any name of the app you want to find and press enter. It will take you again on the Shopify App Store. And the last alternative is going to the settings, then clicking on Apps and Sales channel, then clicking the button that would say Shopify App Store. And just like that, it opened the App Store from your settings. So once you're inside the Shopify App Store, you can browse apps by category such as marketing, store design, orders, shipping, or product sourcing. You can also use the search bar to type what you need or the name of the specific app. Shopify will automatically suggest the apps that match your search. For example, we searched for Calendar app, the Shop Events Calendar, Event Calendar Tickets and RSVP, and many more. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.